Hello, hello folks. We're going to work on a short tutorial. It's about flipping an image. So imagine someone is looking in one direction and you want to turn that person to look in the other direction. In the app designer you can do that. So we're going to click on app designer here, or designer tab, and then we're going to select add a design. In this example I'm going to use stock designs here, and I'm going to use this particular person in the stock design. When it loads up, you'll notice that it's in a design window, which you'll see in this dotted line here. What we want is this man to be facing, instead of towards the right, we want him to move towards the left. So we're going to move our cursor to these two upright triangles here, and we're going to flip horizontally. And it's as simple as that. If you ever lose this window here, that means you've clicked outside the dotted line, and this will disappear. If you want to go back to the designer to edit the image, all you do is to click on the image and it pops up again, and we get it back to its original position. It's as simple as that. I hope this has helped you to flip images horizontally onto a shirt that you plan to print. Happy printing, and keep coming back for more tutorials.